Okay, oh my god, my hair is crazy. Hello everyone, happy Vlogmas day. I think this is gonna be 3, just because I'm gonna make my room decorating episode 2. But I am going to the gym right now. I'm kind of like dedicating myself to run like as much as I can, because I don't know, I like want to run like at least 1.5 miles, and then as long as like I can do that, then like increase my like how long I can run or whatever. I don't know, I'm just starting, but I'm going to the gym right now, and then I'm going to go to Starbucks because I have a new drink that I'm going to show you guys that I am like obsessed with. And yeah, so when I'm done with the gym, I will talk to you guys. I'll probably show you a video of me running. I don't know how exciting that is. Been a while since I talked to you guys. Yeah, that'd be cool. That was my mom. But I just want to show you my outfit really quick just because it's pretty cute. It's pretty wintry. So I'm wearing my blue Nordic from Nordic Beach Wraps, a white bodysuit from Pretty Little Thing, black ripped jeans from American Eagle, I'm pretty sure, and then my Tims. I was actually so excited about these just because I haven't worn them in so long. But welcome to Operation Decorate. I'm about to film my decorate with me for my room. So I'm going to do that really quick. I just wanted to vlog to you guys for this video and show you what I'm doing. But I'm really excited. It's going to be fun. And I also got new lights for my room right here. They're like LED, so like it looks better. But yeah, I'm going to talk to you guys once this is done and give you a sneak peek. This is so cute. I'm so happy. Okay, so it's been a little bit as usual. I always feel like I'm updating so much later, but I wanted to show you guys the candles and what I got this morning when I went to the mall with my mom. And I went to Bath and Body because it was candle day. Okay, update, my camera died, so obviously I've changed. I'm hanging out with friends tonight, but I did want to show you guys what I got this morning because that was the whole intention of talking to you guys right now. So I got, like I said, 4 candles, but 2 of them were mine. My mom took the other 2. But the ones that I got, first one, it actually, like, this was the last one they had, so it came in this cute little wrapping. But it is Frosted Coconut Snowball, and it is such a cute design. I don't know if you guys can really see. It's like a bluish. And I also got that scent in a hand cream. Yeah, this is like the design. I don't know if it'll focus, but yeah, it's super cute. I really, oh, it was upside down, obviously it goes like this, whatever, but that's that. It's really cute. And then might as well just show you, I just got a car freshener. Oh my god, I got a car freshener, champagne toast. I really like the smell of that one. And then just the other candle I got, I honestly like, this is cute. I really liked how this looked. It's like, oh, the top is like snow, like, you know, and then this is Santa's Workshop's sugared snickerdoodle. So it's very sweet, it's strong. Like, it honestly makes it, yeah, it's strong, but it's sweet, so it's cute. And I like the design. I don't know, I think it's very Christmassy, very cute. I feel like if you had this in your room, it would smell really good. So those are the 2 candles that I got, but that's really it. That wasn't a really big haul, actually. Right now, I am going to my friend's house to hang out. I actually got my nails done, too. I went and got my fill, and I got baby pink. I think it's so cute. I haven't got baby pink in a long time, so that was it. And I finally got more. Oh, this is something I was gonna show. I got fake snow. Well, my mom did, and she got more lights because I was gonna put the lights in front of my room. I think I'm gonna put this fake snow around my mirrors because it's white and I think it would look cute, like as a little decor. I don't know, I'm gonna test it out. I don't know if I'll do it today because I really don't have time, but it's glitter snow blanket. We have it upstairs underneath our tree, so I'm gonna try that. But yeah, so I'm gonna go to my friend's house. Okay, hold up, I added the fake snow. I think I honestly need to fix it. It looks like a cloud, no? Maybe not? Okay, I don't know. But I'm just wearing this t-shirt. I don't know where I got it from. Obviously, it's like, it looks like it's Tommy Hilfiger, kind of. White belt, Forever 21, jeans, American Eagle. Shoes will probably be Adidas or Air Force Ones because they are the most comfortable shoes I own. And that's the outfit. And we're gonna see how this works. I don't know yet. I just burnt my tongue.